All right, so next we're gonna show you how to set up your wired lavalier microphone for your smartphone or camcorder. The lavalier comes in a small bag just like this. You can go and open it up. We'll pull out all the pieces here. There we go. And right off the bat, there's actually a couple pieces that are not really needed. We found that they don't actually work too well with all phones. So the first one is obviously this 1/4" adapter. It's way too big. You guys don't need to use this for your phones. So you can just kind of leave this aside, leave it in the bag. And then also they include a splitter. And this splits out to mic and speaker. The splitter we found doesn't work too well either with some of the phones that we try to use it on. So you don't need to use this. Just leave it aside, keep it in the bag, safekeeping. What you're gonna be using is right here on the table. This is gonna be your microphone itself. And if you're using an iPhone, you're gonna need one of these lightning to headphone jack adapters. If you are using an iPhone, make sure you contact your teachers, let them know. That way they can get some more of these adapters from us so you guys can have them, okay? So, this is the microphone right here. You can see it comes with a 20-foot extra long cable to run it from across the room. And then it also has a switch here right in the middle, and then the microphone itself. Let me talk a little bit about this switch here. The switch right here you can see is flipped to the off position. So when you're using this microphone on your smartphone, make sure it's flipped to the off position so you're not using the battery inside. If you are using one of our Vixia camcorders, or if you're using another camcorder that requires that the microphone is powered, you're gonna flip it right to the up position, just like that. And that's gonna use the internal battery right here. And let me show you guys how we put in the battery inside of this microphone. So right here, they actually have the little small pancake battery. So you're gonna take this up and screw off the top door. And then right there you can see this is where the battery compartment is. So you're gonna take your battery, and you can see there's a positive on the flat side. You're gonna put the positive to line up with the spring right here. You'll see there's a little positive sign right there. So I also wanna mention, if you guys are using an iPhone, like I am, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're using the lightning to headphone jack adapter. So you're gonna plug the lightning into your lightning port on your phone, and then plug the microphone into the adapter. And then now you'll be able to get some good audio right into your iPhone. Always make sure that you guys record a test before you start recording your actual interview or your actual segment. Make sure you just plug everything in, make sure it works, record a test, then you can unplug it and listen back to the test on your phone, just to make sure that you did everything right and the audio is working good.
If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact your teachers or check out our website at secctv.org. I'm Nebaiot, and thank you for watching.